Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be sorting out the headlight bulbs, changing them to LEDs and fixing the light on the driver's side because there's a break in the wire. So we're fixing all that and we'll go from there. These are the fog lights that I need to change. You've got they're both a bit janky. These are the LED bulbs I'm trying to fit into it. We need to repair the headlight wiring first. As you can see, they are heavy sketch, and that is completely broke, like the terminal, off from the plastic around it. So this is the one I bought. It come a bit different, like different colours, but it is what it is. Getting it unplugged, getting it moved around. As you see how done it is, to be fair. That is the frayed wiring and how bad it looks. That was it when it was off the vehicle. So obviously I had to cut it, had to protect it against the elements. As you can see there, it's all nicely there. I had to crimp it, prep these new LED headlight bulbs. So that's before. As you can see, just a bit meh. And after, just a bit clearer vision in the night time. Looks a bit better. Do need to do something about the headlights again. I need to polish them out. So we give them a quick clean off, then a sand down, some more sanding. Looks a bit better. Still a bit hazy, and then that's with the sanding complete. Then we sort of clear coat them over. Then we just polished out, and that's how they look now. They look much better. And then we've got new indicator bulbs, which are these ones. They're an absolute pain. We ended up having to remove the headlight to actually get them out, which was not fun, which I didn't get on film because it was that much of a pain. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. But hopefully we were hoping for the other bulbs to come in. They haven't come in yet. I don't know, there's been a delay. I think we're waiting for Yodel, which aren't the best, but we'll see what we can do. When the next big thing happens on the Bimmer, we'll get them changed over. There is a surprise coming soon, and it's hopefully a nice modification, but you'll see it in the up and coming videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.